Good morning, folks. Welcome. Today is Friday, September 17th. I almost forgot the date. Welcome to the wrap-up of our lab day. In class, we're wrapping up the lab. You folks are kind of going to start the lab. This lab for you all is just going to be videos. I couldn't find a good virtual lab for you to kind of get your hands on and moving things around. That will change in the future, and if that's the case, I'll get it to you a day ahead of time so you have time to play around with it, go through the procedure, do all of this. So today you're kind of starting your water movement potential activities. Everything you need is going to be in this water movement and potentials activities folder. So I'm going to click on this. Right now, I guess I have to publish this. There should be more stuff in here. This is the water movement. Oh, here we go. Click on this, and it'll bring up the procedure. It will bring up the worksheet that I want you to work on, and then it'll have 2 videos right now. All right, these videos are me going through the lab procedure, and then it'll help you fill out the worksheet. Read the description up here for what you need to do. Essentially, you're just following the videos with the lab procedure. Fill out the purpose and hypothesis, and then the first column of the table of the movement activity and the water potential activity in Notability. So make sure you get this worksheet into Notability. With the purpose, the procedure doesn't do a great job of explaining what you need to do. So the purpose of our experiment is to figure out which macromolecules move across a membrane. All right. So you take that purpose I just gave you, which macromolecules move across a membrane. Take that one. Macromolecules move across a membrane, and turn that into a question, which I kind of just did for you. I said, which macromolecules move across the cell membrane? You can use that for your purpose, for your question. Then your hypothesis should follow the if, because statement. If you want to, I sometimes use like the if, then, because statement, but SLP does the if, because statements. So if water moves into the tubing because it's a large enough molecule. If you want to get more specific, you could go, if water molecules move into the dialysis tube, then the dialysis tube's mass will increase because water has moved into the tube. It's a little repetitive, but it has just a little bit more information, and it gives you an idea of what you're looking for during the experiment. So I kind of like that one a little bit more. Okay, just follow along, fill these out. Today in 6th hour is flex. All right, I'm going to send out a Google Doc for you to sign up on for one-on-one meetings next week on Monday and Friday. Maybe sometime during my prep hour, but you might have class that time too. So we'll see. We'll see what times work best for everyone. So during 6th hour today, I'm going to send out 2 more videos. The first video is going to be the data for the movement lab, the first one, that looks at dialysis tubing, iodine, glucose, and starch. The second one is going to be the water potential data. So I have to mass the potatoes because hopefully water has moved into the potatoes. Okay, so you'll have 2 more videos. That'll help you fill out the rest of the worksheet. Then, that'll help you fill out the data for the worksheet. Then you need to finish writing a conclusion. So you'll make diagrams of your dialysis tubing. I'll show you pictures of it. Then you need to write a conclusion for the movement lab. For the water potential, you are going to graph the data that I give you, and then you are going to find the water potential of the potato. So that is all on the worksheet. If you just follow the procedure and then you follow the worksheet, you're going to be in good shape. I just thought I'd give you an instructional video just to help you out. So if you like the videos, leave a like. No, just kidding. I'm not a YouTuber. Have a wonderful afternoon, everyone. I wish you the best of luck. Have a great weekend. I'm going to the Loons game. I think I said that in one of the videos already. I'm super excited. But you have a fantastic weekend. Again, if there's any questions, I'll probably check Schoology on tonight. I'll be here probably pretty late, maybe like 5 o'clock. I'll be here. And then Sunday afternoon, I'll be checking Schoology too, because I got some work to do. I need to do that. So have a wonderful day, everyone. Peace.